Tired of sending endless text messages about your products? Let's transform your WhatsApp business with a stunning and interactive flow catalog in Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account. You'll land on the main dashboard, your central hub for all things Aisensy. Now, look to the left-hand sidebar menu and click on Flows. This is where the magic happens. On the Flows page, you'll find a Create Flow button, usually located at the top right. Give it a click. You'll see different flow types. Choose Catalog to start building your product showcase. This opens the Catalog Flow Editor. It's like your digital storefront. Start by giving your catalog a descriptive name so you can easily find it later. Now, let's add your products. Click the Add Product button. You'll be prompted to upload an image. Enter the product name, a detailed description, and the price. Repeat this process for all your products. The key is to use high-quality images and compelling descriptions to grab your customers' attention. Aisensy offers customization options. You can adjust the layout, colors, and even add interactive elements like Add to Cart buttons. Before publishing, use the preview option to see exactly how your catalog will look on a customer's phone. Make any necessary adjustments. Finally, integrate your flow catalog into your WhatsApp conversations. Share the catalog link, and your customers can browse and interact directly within the chat. You've just leveled up your WhatsApp business game.